All right, this is downtown Dahlonega, Georgia. And its claim to fame is the gold rush. Before California gold rush. This was the Georgia Mountain Gold Rush. We just finished eating lunch at the Smith House. Got a tour, met all the family members that run the place. Super nice people.
Hey, Christmas decor is 90% off.
Do we really need to look at Christmas decor? Well, I guess we do.
90% off.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. We just put on the remaining Christmas and a little bit of fall up there, 90% off.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's some like.
If you want to figure out how to spell Dahlonega, Georgia, it's right there. What'd you find?
Found an ornament with a paw print
Oh.
for our tree that we got on clearance.
So we're in the downtown square area. Across from us, that used to be the county courthouse,
Okay.
or I'm
Thank you
sorry, the
very
city
much.
courthouse.
You too.
And they turned it into Gold Museum. Me and Donna went there a few years back when we were dating. It's pretty cool. Highly recommend it. Go check it out. But if you didn't know that Dahlonega is basically the home of the University of North Georgia, which is one of the colleges that are in the Georgia college system.
I got
What'd you get, baby?
3 Christmas ornaments for $3.67.
No way. Those owners, they were 90% off.
Yes.
That's pretty good. Go across here.
Yeah.
So we're in the square. This is a college town, tourist town. All kinds of neat little shops that you would see or expect in a quaint little Georgia mountain town. I highly recommend you check that out. Me and Donna went there, like I said, when we were dating. I'm trying to show her the area up here. It's pretty cool. A lot of history up here. And if you ever want to check out the area or find out information about the area that you're in, always seek out the visitor centers because they'll have a wealth of information. A lot of them will have city maps, county maps of things to do and all that kind of stuff here. So, to-do list, to see and do list. So lots of wineries up here. Lots and lots of wineries that you can do wine tastings at. Some of them are pricey, so definitely check out their website before you wander over. So they have the discovery guides right outside the door. So if they're closed, you can grab one of these. Upcoming events. Night at the movies.
Oh, that's tomorrow.
So typically on these small towns, you will see these kind of kiosk things, I guess is what you would call it, at a on the squares. So if you want to get the full history of Dahlonega, you can buy the package, A Taste of the Mountains. So this is off season again. We like to go to places where it's off season, so it's not so busy. Right, babe?
Yep.
And it's still probably about 45 out right now. And she wants to go this way. She sees a sign for jerky. I just
No.
got to keep her away from the wine tasting places. But it's very pleasant. Snow's still on the ground. In most places, it's starting to melt now. But Other than that, we're good. Oh, this, hey, did you see what this is?
That's where I'm going, hon. But there's a wine tasting upstairs.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Spice and tea over there.
This is the same kind of stuff we got. This is the bottles. We've already bought these. Same brands.
Called Olive Tree?
Looks like the same bottle.
We're happy to make you combinations of oil and vinegar that go well together and they'll go out for you as well. Right now we just got shipped in, so anything that you see that's turned around or in the middle here, not
Danny.
directly facing.
Right.
So $10.75 for the little, $16.75 for the medium, and $30.75 for the large.
Okay. Lots of kinds of oils. We love oil and vinegars for our salads. We're cooking, experimenting with different flavors. What'd you buy, baby?
I don't know that I've ever seen an espresso balsamic vinegar, but that's what I got.
Cool.
Espresso.
You and your coffees.
I'm actually gonna put it on cottage cheese, and she said it's good on Brussels sprouts.
Oh. Yeah, let's walk in the spice shop.
Okay.
That looks interesting though. I like the steak blend. For meat lovers. Definitely a carnivore.
That's us, yeah, for sure.
How much is that? I don't want to touch it again, I might break it.
15.
Spices and herbs. Rose petals, that's unusual. What would you use rose petal spices for?
I have no idea.
Wine tasting, escape room, real estate, and gifts. Oh, they're closed. No drinking for you.
The walking tours is closed, but the wine tasting might be open.
The Fudge Factory. Closed. And that's one of the disadvantages of coming to these kind of places during the off season, is that it'll be hit or miss if stuff is fully open or not.
Hey.
She smells them out, man. I swear to God, she does. Mama called, bring wine now.
I understand.
But
I thought when a wine tasting was like $20, it would be like a half a glass.
yeah,
And did you see it was like that much in the bottom of a glass?
yeah. Yeah, this is a tourist town. So maybe a little different than going to a real winery. So we're still going around the square. All kinds of shops. That's kind of cool. Bourbon Street Grill, balcony dining. So you can eat up there and upstairs. Very old buildings. Lots of places to eat. So this concludes our tour of downtown Dahlonega. to our right, down that street right there, is the North Georgia College. Come on, babe. Gotta make sure we don't get hit, but down there is the college.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get updates on when we have another video post. Thanks for watching.